terms of the bear market, I think we're definitely in the crypto bear market after the FTX collapse last month. All of crypto has really come down a lot. Bitcoin has held itself relatively steady. It only has come down 10, 20%. And the rest of crypto have gone down, 50% or more. A lot of other crypto tokens have gone down much, much lower. But in the end, Bitcoin has not changed. The thing I want to remind audiences is Bitcoin itself, the first and original digital cryptocurrency, the fundamentals have not changed. It's just that the people's sentiment about the whole cryptocurrency trading and exchanges, the custodial exchanges, and the lack of regulation, or at least not enough regulation, all of that is giving some pause to new participants as well as existing players in the marketplace.
So in that sense, where do you see prices going now, Bobby?
So I think it's going to be pretty bearish for the next year or two. And I think personally, I predict the bull market to come back in probably 2 years' time, certainly by late 2024. That would be 2 years from right now, and certainly by early 2025. But time will tell. It's hard to pin down exactly when this bear market will bottom out.
So in that sense, then, how does the world of crypto repair itself in 2023 from a regulatory standpoint, but more so a trust perspective?
Yeah, so you're absolutely right about the trust perspective. So even though Bitcoin and crypto advertise itself as decentralized, as you don't have to trust people, but the reality is quite different. Whenever you're dealing with companies, with organizations, you do have to trust the people running it. You have to trust the investors, trust the executive team. You have to trust the people providing the service of the company. So whether it's an exchange, a wallet service provider, or other decentralized finance service. So trust is very much needed, even though the underlying blockchain itself uses mathematics and cryptography. But the company structures, the business model around it, because humans are involved, there is trust that's needed. And to repair itself, I think it's going to go through a few years of retrospection and sort of inspect how things are. I think the regulators will have to come in and sort of really take a deeper dive and see and understand why crypto markets, why crypto companies and financial companies need more regulation. So I'm always a proponent of more regulation in the crypto market. Again, I'm talking about, just to be clear, I'm talking about the regulation of companies around the cryptocurrency market and not the regulation of the asset itself, because the asset itself is inert. It's just what it is, right? It's a commodity, just like gold and silver. No amount of regulation can change the chemical composition of gold or silver. And same thing, no amount of regulation can change the composition of Bitcoin itself. However, what we can regulate and what we should regulate are the companies that do business with cryptocurrency, especially those that do custodial services that store cryptocurrency for other people, traders, for exchanges and for over-the-counter trading.
I get your point, Bob.